On a list of the most dangerous jobs, high-rise window washing consistently is at the top of the list. The job is so dangerous, some are even turning to superheroes for help. But now there's a real superhero to the rescue, SkyPro. SkyPro outperforms even superheroes when it comes to cleaning windows and building surfaces. Even when superheroes try to stop the SkyPro, it just keeps on cleaning. And in the end, they all agree that SkyPro is the only safe, efficient, and affordable choice for window and surface cleaning of buildings. For more information on how this superhero is saving the window washing world, contact us online at skypro.com.